But anyway, I didn't know any Yiddish. So when we went to Israel, first time was in 1973, he had landsmen who survived mostly in Siberia. And he hadn't seen them before the war, but he and his father were in the woods around their town. So they knew what was happening in the town. And so they were able to tell, he was able to tell them their parents' yurtzeits, or, when, just the day that they were killed. And he had a terrific memory. So, and they were speaking Yiddish, and they knew only Hebrew and Yiddish. I didn't know any Hebrew. So I sat there like a dummy, smiled. They probably thought I was some kind of an idiot. And then I realized I really had to learn. And it was hard for me. I in my mind, I knew what to say, but I couldn't bring out the phrasing and the accent and whatever. And then over the years, I told Reuben I said, you have to speak Yiddish to me and I'll try to answer. And first he laughed, the way I was pronouncing it. I said, you pronounce English the same way, so don't laugh, We had a good relationship. Really, we did have a wonderful, wonderful marriage.